So in assignment number 4, given a normal distribution with a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 4, what is the probability that question A is x is less than 43? So by using the formula z equals to x minus the mean and divided by the standard deviation. So z equals to 43 minus 50 divided by 4 is equals to negative 1.75. Then we have to get the z score of negative 1.75. So we have here the z table. Then determine the place of 1.75. So by computing it, the probability of negative 1.75 is 0.0401. So the probability that x is less than 43 is 0.0401. And in question B, we have here x is greater than 43. So same formula, z equals to 43 minus 50 divided by 4 is equals to 1.75. But looking at the table, the z score is 0.0401. Then the total area in the curve is 1. So we have a whole number. Then to compute it, by using formula 1 minus 0.0401 equals to 0.9599, or that is the probability of greater than 43. Next question is 5% of the values are less than what x value? So we need to find the z-score that corresponds the 5th percentile is in the 5th percentile. So we put it in a z table, then it is approximately negative 1.645. The formula is x equals to mean plus the z-score of standard deviation. So x equals 50 plus negative 1.645 divided by 4 is equals to 43.42. It means that the 5% values is less than the given values, which is 43.42. Then letter D, since the 60% of the values lie between the x values, the remaining 40% is distributed equally in each tails, and it has 20% of each tails. So we need to find the z-score of 20%, or in the left corner is negative 0.84. Two x values are the following, that this is the formula. So we have here two x's, which is x1 and x2. Then x1 is equals to 50 plus 0.84 divided by 4 is equals to 53.36, while the other values, with other x value is 50 minus 0.84 because it is negative, then divided by 4 is equals to 46.64. Therefore the 60% of the values lie between the x values are 53.36 and 46.64.